Are you horrible in math? Well, here's Math Simplified. Postulates and theorems in similar triangles. Postulate. If three angles of one triangle are congruent to three angles of another triangle, which means the two triangles are similar. As shown in the example, in real life a pyramid has two layers built within each other. If layer U has 45 degrees, while layer T has 75 degrees and 60 degrees. So first create the diagram of it. Since they are in the same shape, means the angles of layer T is included in layer U. Using the postulate, we can say layer U and layer T are similar. As a S-similarity theorem, if two sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding two sides of another triangle and their respective include angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. As shown in the example, you can also see if they have the same sides by cross multiplying the sides of the first triangle to the other triangle sides. Applied in real life, let's say on a building there are two flags. Flag A has a bigger flag size whilst flag B is smaller. If flag A has a triangular shape measuring 24 centimeters and 36 centimeters, while flag B has 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Furthermore, both have an angle of 60 degrees in them. To solve it, first create the diagram of it as shown. Then cross multiply the sides to see if they are proportional. Simplified is 70 to 72. And since the angles are the same, we can now say flag A and flag B are similar. S similarity theorem. If three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. As shown in the example, an application of this in real life is an architect is building a bridge that will have triangular support. If the support X sides are 27 meters, 13 meters and 19 meters, while support Y sides are 108 meters, 52 meters and 76 meters. To solve it, first create the diagram of it. Since support X R cannot be simplified but support Y is and they have a common factor of 4, we would simplify it. After simplifying it would equal 27, 13 and 19, which is proportional to support X. This means support X and support Y are similar. HL similarity theorem. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle whilst the leg or legs are the shorter sides of the right triangle. If the hypotenuse and a leg of one right triangle are proportional to the corresponding hypotenuse and leg of another right, then the right triangles are similar. As shown in the example, you can also see if they have the same sides by cross multiplying the hypotenuse and leg of the first triangle to the other triangles. In real life, let's say an architect has built two ramps for the elderly one for going up and down. If ramp PFG leg is 5 meters and the hypotenuse is 7 meters, while ramp HIJ leg is 10 meters and the hypotenuse is 14 meters, first create the diagram of it. Then cross multiply the hypotenuse and leg to see if they are proportional. After simplifying, they are now 70 equals 70, which means they are proportional. So ramp P and ramp F are similar. LL similarity theorem. If the legs of one right triangle are proportional to the corresponding legs of another right, then the right triangles are similar. As shown in the example, you can also see if they have the same sides by cross multiplying the legs of the first triangle to the other triangles. In real life, let's say a tree and a man cast a shadow. If the tree has a height of 102 meters and casted a shadow of 80, while the man had a height of 51 and casted a shadow 40, first create the diagram of it as shown. Then cross multiply the legs to see if they are proportional. When simplified, they are now 4080 equals 4080. This means that the tree's shadow and the man's shadow are similar.
Captain Aso! Number 1! Asong kaladog! Ang asong ito ay pinaghalong kalabaw at aso! Number 2! Asong nakaupo! Ang asong ito ay nakaupo! Number 3! Asong mataway! Ang asong ito ay mataray! Number 4! Asong engineer! Ang asong ito ay engineer! Number 5! Asong lasing! Ang asong ito ay lasing!